Mariam Al Mazrou is part of the new generation of cutting-edge Emirati designers. Homegrown label Mimi Fashion Designs gives Middle Eastern style a colourful, contemporary spin. The glamorous collection is a fusion of the modern maxi dress with the traditional elements of the abaya.
I started this collection, this fusion, as you say, from April 2008, since I had my first collection, and people just fall in love with it. So I continued in this line, and people now can recognize that this is the Mimi style.
Her latest collection brings print, colour and elegance to the runway. Inspired by flowers and bright palettes, the pattern silhouettes were met with resounding approval from local fashionistas.
The Emirati talent is growing every day, and that's what Dubai Fashion Week is all about. Dubai Fashion Week is primarily to promote the local talent, and then yet, of course, being Dubai, we are international, we are at the middle of the globe, so we obviously look out for having multinational, international designers as well.
Award-winning Emirati designer Amal Murad is on the brink of global success. Her luxury abaya fashion line includes shaylas studded with crystals, colour and lace. The quality and cut of her creations demonstrate the evolution of the traditional abaya.
I try to combine, the latest trends that we get it from the West, in terms of colors, in terms of cuts and techniques, with our tradition wear. It was my first collection to be internationally in Rome Fashion Week, which is held by the Alta Roma and the Oriental Night, and it was like the biggest accomplishment I did so far this year.
Move over Milan, Paris and New York, Dubai Fashion Week is now achieving international acclaim. Not only does it serve as a platform for emerging Emirati talent, but it also brings the global fashion industry to Dubai. Buyers, retailers, the media and of course the designers see Dubai as the region's fashion forum. Hot from the international catwalks, the latest trends made a stylish finale. Models switched from unique abayas to full-length and fabulous red carpet gowns, making Dubai's passion for fashion a worldwide affair. Zoe Richards, City 7 News.